I thought this was a really interesting question because all of us have such similar and yet unique teaching practices. I also think it's interesting how as teachers, we often focus on the one element that we're teaching because that's our standard. Yet ultimately, sometimes I forget that my goal as an educator is to teach them to love learning. Because if I can get them to love reading or get them to love science or math, they'll become lifelong learners in those areas. I also use standards-based testing and teaching. I use Go Math right now, and the objective is always first thing on the slideshow. I could definitely do a better job of introducing the standard in English. I do teach the standard, but helping the kids know exactly what they're learning and why they're learning that is also important so that they know what's going on in the classroom.